Oh! Okay, so we are here at one of our friends' place. They give us the address so that we can deliver our Shopee stuff here lah. Yeah, so this is going to be a great help. We delivered like 8 items here, like a bit paiseh now. Yeah, so we're gonna take the stuff from him. Okay, this is our 8 parcels. We'll do the unboxing later. Yeah, so they are mainly all our broken stuff lah. For example, all the plastic parts of the camera equipment, including this mic holder, has already broken, and we just epoxy mesh them back lah. So a lot of them are replacement metal parts, and our electronics like cable, the lousier one we bought, the head and the body already broke off, and then some chargers already spoiled. So this time we bought more reputable brands. Hopefully they're gonna last longer lah. Then tomorrow we are meeting another friend in Kanchanaburi directly. He also bought us 2 more stuff from Singapore lah. So that should fix most of our broken stuff in the van lah. It will just increase our quality of life back to normal. Okay, we go off now to Kanchanaburi. It's about 3.5 hour drive. We probably gonna meet Joe and Bumbin. Yeah, and maybe need to start drinking again. Okay, we go off now. Okay, our shopaholic is buying more stuff from the roadside. He's getting this for the kids back home here. Okay, we are back in Kanchanaburi now, having a lunch. This is vegetarian tofu khao soi. Khao soi. Look at the crispy tofu that comes with it. So much of it. Okay, so the plan now is after this we're gonna send the car for car wash. Then we're gonna head back to Joe's workshop to get some repairs done. It'll probably take a few days. So we'll find accommodation and then we'll see what to do in the next few days. Okay, first car wash in 2 months. This is dirt from Laos and Cambodia combined, and a bit of Thailand. Super hard work. This car wash also washed the top of the car. Sparkling clean now. Can even see the white paintings again. Okay, so it's a busy day at Kanchanaburi today. We started off by meeting Joe at the car workshop. Okay, and then we sent the car for car washing, including the underneath of the vehicle. Okay, now we are doing laundry, and it's a massive one. Our clothes, our bedding, all is being washed now. Then in the meanwhile, I'm gonna do the unboxing now for all the broken camera stuff. I'm gonna try to fix all the broken stuff.
We can finally fix our spoiled items. Morning, today is day 152. Yesterday night we settled ourselves at the 323 camp in Kanchanaburi. This is the second time that we are here, so if you are interested in the camp tour, you can refer to day 78 video on our YouTube channel. So currently we are leaving the campsite and we'll be heading to Joe's place first to leave our van there for him to check and to do the necessary repair works. Afterwards, we'll be heading to rent a motorbike, and honestly, I still don't know what we are gonna do yet. So we will update you again later.
Okay, so we are back at Joe's and we just update then the list that we need to check. So you see, there are 11 items we need to check, from simple stuff like engine oil to filter change to replacement, or to the more complex one like replacing the coil suspension system. Yeah, and there's a weird electronic warning light that has caused the vehicle to lose acceleration. It happened twice already. Yeah, so we're trying to get to the bottom of that. I think that is the more scary one. It happened twice in Bangkok on the highway. We couldn't accelerate fast enough. Yeah, so let's see. He is very busy. See the amount of cars here. Yeah, so probably wait for after lunch, yeah, to discuss with him. Okay.